My unit is basically they're rechargeable batteries. I have one in my unit, of course, and I always have one charging on a battery charger that was supplied to me from Lauder. And the batteries last 3 to 4 months if you keep them rotated. But you rotate them every day at least. Um, so you have a maximum power that you can have. So the unit's as loud as it can be. You do have a volume control that I can turn it down if you need to whisper in a crowd or, when somebody's on stage at a school activity. Or if you're in a crowd and it's loud background. This unit the whole time. But I bring it here to get it repaired and lauder. Everything wears out, but you just take care of them, don't drop them. That's why you're supplied with a lanyard. A lot of people put the lanyard over there, so when they release it, it hangs around the chest. You grab it, and then you won't have a chance of dropping it because it is electronic, and you can jar the inside. So just like anything, you don't want to drop your phone. You don't want to drop something that can get damaged. I don't use a lanyard, but I'm so used to it that it's like a part of my hand. Like I had to buy new batteries and they work for 2 3 months, but you gotta rotate them every day, and so you have maximum sound. Out of your unit, depending on how much you're gonna talk.